The very first thing you do when you come to class essentially is opening a browser and log into the subject that you're in. So you go to, I don't know, my Seneca Polytechnic, wherever you're supposed to go to. I'm going to go to employee. Of course, you're going to go to student. Log in to learn. Give me a second. Okay, so that's number one. And you go to and I'm going to go to the student view. Subject, we are courses, we are NEE, correct? So now I can go to student view, I think. All right, so this is essentially what you see. And depending on what is the test, midterm or quiz, it's got to be available to you with a code to get it. Then you start My Apps. Okay, you log into My Apps. You open Notepad++. There you go. So Notepad++ gets open. When it asks you to update, do not, say no. And then what you do, you close all the tabs. And if I see any tab is open, I'm gonna close it for you. You'll see. But you put this one at left and put the notepad at right, whichever side you prefer. Don't overlap it because you're going to get confused. Put it on one side like this. Make it side by side. The very first thing they do, and it's extremely important, you go File, Save As. You put whatever name, it doesn't matter, .cpp. Make sure you save whatever file you have to CPP. That gives you syntax highlighting. Okay, so when you actually write int main, it actually helps you with all the good stuff that you have. Okay? And if you go, I don't know, std vector, so it actually gives you help with all the things that you want to do. Okay? Then you will start your quiz. So you click on your quiz 0. You wait for me to give you the code. So this is the quiz number. Please log in to the quiz. Okay. So this is how the quiz is done. First of all, I put the wrong one. If you see it is not displayed properly, you're using scroll and the mouse, you can actually set it up so it doesn't have two. Like do you see your screen that has two parts now? Put the mouse on it and scroll up a little, and you'll see it's going to go away. I'm creating a class called, what is that? Appliance. So I'm going to create class appliance, right? You don't create class appliance. Yours is different. Each one has its own version, okay? Now in here, I'm going to say character, well, whatever. What does it want it? Okay, model. So I'm going to say character model. And it needs a size, whatever, 128. Now, this is how you do. Take a look at me. To submit this code, let's say this is the code you want to submit. Control the whole thing and copy it. Okay? Do it now with me. Okay, so copy it. Then come down to the place that you want to add. This is extremely important. Click on 3 dots. Click on 3 dots. Then click on code snippet. And then paste, Control V. If you see now your code is perfectly aligned over there and syntax highlighted. That's how I want it. That's how the code's supposed to be. And each time you add something else, in here I'm going to say public. If I can type it, public. Now I'm going to say appliance. And I'm going to create a default constructor that sets, I don't know, model 0 to 0. Now I want to add this to my code. Again, Control A, select everything, save, copy, Control C. Then click on the code snippet section, Control A, paste, Control V. It overwrites everything back. So you keep doing that. And remember, every now and then, copy everything, paste everything. If by mistake you forget to do that and it auto-submits, I cannot go back and do anything. Okay? I'll try to tell everybody, hey, 5 minutes, make sure you copy everything. So if by mistake it submits it, then you're not going to have any problem. Are we good? Okay?